I'm gonna be She-Hulk.
I feel like I don't usually show when something is like not great and I have to fix it, so I'm gonna show that.
Yeah, I'm about to Wonder Joann's because I don't actually have enough fabric to do what I want to do.
I messed up the shorts again.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You might be wondering why I am teal, and by today's video title, I am making a She-Hulk costume for Halloween. So I just got done filming it, which is why I still have the paint on. But yeah, that is what this week's video is. I was watching She-Hulk and I really loved the show, and when she came out in her like superhero suit, I was like, that is what I want to make for Halloween. So that is today's video. Yeah, let's just get right into it. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe, follow me on my social medias, and let's go. Okay, for this week's video, I'm making a Halloween costume, and I am going to make the She-Hulk Halloween costume. Or I'm gonna be She-Hulk. So I watched the show and I actually really liked it. And when she wore her suit for the first time, like her superhero suit, I guess, I was like, I want to make that for Halloween. So I'm gonna put up some photos. I'm gonna put up a photo of one that I found online that I'm kind of using, and then also I'm gonna put a little video clip from the first time she wears it, because it was really hard to find photos of just like her from the show in it. So yeah. To draft the pattern, I'm gonna take a fitted pair of shorts and a fitted shirt and trace those, and then I'm going to use my measurements to see like what size I actually want it, because I want to make sure that it fits well, because in theory I would want it to be something that you could be active in. So yeah, I'm gonna go ready and do that. Okay, this is the pattern piece. I'm going to get ready and cut it out, and then for the sleeve, I'm just going to do a basic sleeve. Also, I have this line in the back because I'm going to make the back a deeper V and tie it, so it tie it so that it's easier to get into and out of. Okay, I have the two front pieces together, so, or cut out, so now I'm going to put them together and sew along with there, minus the armhole, the top, and then the inner portion of the leg.
Okay, I feel like I don't usually show when something is like not great and I have to fix it, so I'm gonna show that. This is what we're working with right now. I'm not gonna turn around because it looks like I have like the world's worst wedgie. And I kind of knew this was gonna happen with the pattern, so I'm kind of dumb for not fixing it. What I'm gonna do is seam rip the shoulders and add a little bit so it is not pulling in my crotch so much, and so it's also not pulling the worst wedgie ever in the back. I feel like this kind of looks like a wrestling singlet, but I see the vision and I do have hope.
I have a slight dilemma. I don't think I can fix the bodysuit. So yeah, I'm about to Wonder Joann's because I don't actually have enough fabric to do what I want to do. So I think last I said that I was going to just put a little panel and extend the shoulders, but then I thought that that would make the armhole really big, and these are supposed to be fitted sleeves because it is like I'm being a superhero type suit. And so then I kind of had this original idea, which was just to do the top and bottom separate and then sew them together so I can make sure they both fit. I was like, no, I'm gonna do one piece. I can do one piece. And I don't know if that's really gonna work out, and I don't have enough fabric to do the top and bottom separately, so I'm about to try to run to Joann's tonight so I can get some more fabric for this. Yeah. Okay, so you can't actually see the pieces, but I cut out the pieces for the top and the shorts. So now I'm going to construct the top and then construct the shorts and alter them as needed. Okay, I have the top and the shorts pinned together, so I'm gonna get ready and sew them. Then I'll try it on to make sure I like how it looks, and then I will start doing the sleeves. Okay, this is what I have so far. So I actually messed up the shorts again, and that's why the waistband is like here, and it's very low in the back. You can't really see, but I'm going to get ready and do the sleeves. Also, the shorts are way too long. I'm gonna make them shorter, but I'm gonna do that after I do the sleeves. So I'm gonna cut the sleeves out in white, and then before I actually connect the sleeve, I'm also gonna sew on the white here, so it'll be like a seamless blend. Yeah, and for the sleeve also, I'm gonna cut them out in white, but I'm also gonna add the purple and the black. Since like they're so small, it'll be easier to just do that before I actually construct it and then go from there. Okay, I finished the sleeves. I used the sleeve pattern to draw out the sleeves so then I could determine like how big these needed to be. So now for the top portion, I'm going to use the top pattern to trace out where I want the white to go around the sleeve, and then I'm going to attach that and then attach the sleeves to it. Okay, this is where we are right now. So I'm gonna have to have, which I kind of knew,
something in the back to tie because it's a v-neck, because the sleeves are kind of falling off. But other than that, I think it looks fine. So I'm about to mark where I want the shorts to come up because they're very long, as you can kind of tell. And then I also have like the purple, where the purple stripe on the front is gonna be. So I'm just gonna make sure that I like how it looks, and then I will get ready and add that on and finish the neck in the back and the bottom of the shorts. Okay, I have both purples pinned, but I have the raw edges pinned under on this one, so I'm gonna sew it, and then I'm gonna do the same to the other one before finishing the neckline and the bottom with purple. Okay, for the neckline, I cut out a rectangle and I've pinned it to the wrong side of the fabric, and then I'm gonna stitch it down. And then afterwards, I'm gonna fold it over and then fold it again to hem onto the right side. Okay, I cut out the last of the white pieces, and what I'm doing now, as you can kind of see by the part that I did in the front, I'm just stitching around it with a zigzag stitch instead of folding it over because it's just significantly easier, and I'm kind of ready to just be done with this. So yeah, I have the 2 pieces in the back and then 2 more white pieces that'll go in the back before it's done. And for the bottoms, I just hemmed the shorts. I didn't put the purple because I also don't really love doing a lining or a binding like that, especially with stretchy fabric, so I just hemmed the bottoms. Thanks for watching. I really hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on my social medias. And I hope y'all have a happy Halloween, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.